Module 7, Song Assembly.
Truly it is I that have established my King. You hope in Zion, my holy mountain. I will tell.
You've made it. You've crafted lyrics, shaped melodies, chosen chords, and explored song structure. Now it's time to bring all the elements together. This is where your song truly becomes a living thing, where melody meets message, rhythm meets flow, and your voice finally finds its home. Welcome to Module 7, Song Assembly. Start by pairing your strongest lyrical phrases with your most memorable melodic lines. Ask, where does the emotion in your lyrics peak? What melody best expresses that feeling?
Holy fire, purify, you provide. I surrender, be magnified.
Let the melody rise where emotions rise. Let it drop where reflection happens. This mirroring creates authenticity. Hum your chorus and try different phrasing until the lyrics and melody lock in naturally.
Set apart, Yeshua, like no other.
Now shape your rhythmic feel. This is where your song gets its groove, even if it's slow and emotional. Use claps, snaps, or a metronome to feel where your lines naturally fall. Ask yourself, does the song breathe? Are there moments of space and emphasis? Does the chorus lift?
Make me a holy vessel, filled with honor in your house.
Experiment with slight pauses, syncopation, or line repetition to keep the momentum moving. Use the quantize feature in your DAW to tighten up performance, but don't overdo it. Human feel matters.
Make me a
Now, let's record your first demo. Here's what you'll need. A basic DAW, GarageBand, BandLab, or Soundtrap. A mic. Even your phone can work. A backing track using your chord progression. Your lyrics and melody guide.
We're waiting on your promise. Let your spirit flow.
1. Lay down your instrumental loop. 2. Record a guide vocal for melody. 3. Do a simple verse, chorus, bridge, chorus layout. 4. Add harmonies or background textures if you like a tech. Don't worry about making it perfect. This is about translating the vision into sound.
One accord, all inspired. Let your works be glorified.
Record a rough demo of your full song today. Just voice and chords. It doesn't have to be fancy, it has to be real. Play it back. Listen with your gut, not your ego. Ask, what parts feel right? Where do you want more energy? What needs trimming?
Will abide beneath your shadow. Make me a holy vessel, filled with honor.
You now have the bones of a real song, built from your heart, structured with intention. This is the turning point. From now on, you're not just learning songwriting, you are a songwriter. Let's keep going. Your best work is still ahead. Congratulations. You've completed Module 7.
Filled with honor in your house. We're waiting on
Up next, Module 8, Feedback, Polish, and Publish.